The smallest brush I had was a number 14. So to get my first bead, I'm going to go into the liquid, take out all of the air bubbles. Then I'm going to wipe from the middle of the brush to the tip of the brush, going into my liquid at a into the powder at a 45-degree angle. You're gonna see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is to get a medium-sized bead. You're going to place it onto your nail, and you're gonna clean your brush and work from the side, slowly tapping it, side, side, always cleaning your brush in between because you don't want any stickies. Then you're going to work it down the top, through the center, always cleaning up your sides to make sure that they're nice and crispy so that you are not filing too much. You saw I took off what was hanging off there. Never use your finger, always use your brush. For the next bead, we're going to do the same thing from the middle to the tip. Not in the same spot, we're going to pick a different spot 3 times. Let your powder polymerize before putting it on the nail. Then you see here, I'm just going side, side, and center. Not too much pressure. You're gonna lightly feather it down, okay guys? The next bead is gonna be my cuticle bead. I'm going to wipe from the top of the brush, so where the metal is, all the way down to the tip to get out as much liquid as possible. Then I'm gonna go into the powder, 1, 2, 3. Let it polymerize, and I'm going to place that right by the cuticle area, close to it, not touching. See that? You're going to go side, clean your brush, side, clean your brush, and then I'm just going to continue to blend that into the next one. Always cleaning up your side walls, always. Now the next bead is to build the apex. And I'm going to do the same thing from the top of the brush all the way to the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Let that polymerize. Put it right by where the first cuticle bead is. Blending it up. And then just feathering it down. Side, side, center. Okay? And this is what it looks like. If you need any more help or have any other questions, let me know, or any other suggestions for videos.